Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create the very high quality do follow profile backlink, and also you are able to create your image backlink and your social bookmarking backlink in this website. So you can create multiple type of backlinks. Okay, so you can see this is a website dashboard, and you can see this is a website URL. So before they started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, this website a domain rating is 88, and according to Moj, this website domain authority is 85, and the spam score is only 1%. And if I can show you the traffic, so you can see 734.6k monthly visits this website having, and the mostly traffic from the Indonesia, USA, India, Bangladesh, Singapore, and another countries. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the login and the register button, and you can accept the terms and condition and the cookies. Here we can select with the, here we can proceed with the email. So there you can put your email, then you guys will choose your password. Now no, you can click on the create account button. Here you can add your name. So I prefer to add a company name, so DML training. Here you can add your email address. There you can choose your password. Then after, you can, if you have a referral code, so you can either, you can ignore these things. Then after, you can see, you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and if you're wanting to receive a newsletter, so you can select either, you can uncheck this. Then after, you can click on the create account button. So you can see the account is successfully created. Now we need to verify our profile. So let me check the Gmail. I didn't receive yet. 11/9 email verification. I received the verification email in my spam folder. So you can check while searching your email in the spam folder. Okay, so click on the verify now. Invalid verification code. Okay, let's click on this. Your verification link is invalid or has expired. Okay, so let me resend the email. So our account is successfully verified. Now you can click on the go to dashboard. So this is your dashboard. So you can see there is sort or create a new link, and you can see click on the setting button, save newsletter, dashboard. So this is my dashboard. Let's go to the link section, link shortener, domain, beta, subscription. So from there you can create your micro site. So personal branding, yeah, the personal branding, click to continue. Then you can select the template. So you can proceed with the basic card. Then after, you can click on the continue button. Here you can customize your link. So DML training, TRAINING. After, you can click on the finish button. So field name is required. Okay, so there you can add your company name, DML training. Then after, you can click on the finish button. So here you go, all set. So you can see if you're wanting, so definitely we can change the profile picture. So first we can upload the profile picture, crop, and it's updated. Now now you are able to add your multiple links, and also you can see from there you can add some short description for your brand. So let me use, so there I added my short description. If you're wanting, so you can also add a very short description around 165 or the 60 characters, so that could be going to look nice. And here you are able to add your links. So suppose this is my tools page, so all tools directory. So you can add your bookmarking name, and also here you can add our links. We added the link, and if you wanting, so you can delete, either you can change image. Also you are able to upload image for your link. So whatever you want, you can customize from here. So we did, and here we can add the another link, URL to HTML link converter. Then you can add your web page a link here. And if you're wanting, you can also able to change the button color and the button effect, shaky, bounce, something, whatever you want. And here we can add the another link, word counter. And also you are able to add a multiple link here. So you can see from there you can add the new component. So if you can click on this, so you can add the any kind of a component. So you can see there is a option to, you can add the calendar, links, divider, images. You can also able to add the your images. So suppose I can going to add the image here. So this is my YouTube channel. So you continue to crop. So you can see you are able to also add the image. So this is my vlog channel. So you can create the image backlink, and also you are able to hyperlink your image. So I added my YouTube link here. So you can create the many thing from there, whatever you want, and from there you can change your social media URLs. You don't have the Twitter, TikTok. Let me add my website URL. There is an option to, you can add the your YouTube channel. So from there you can customize anything, whatever you want. So we did all the things. If you're wanting, so you can add any kind of a component. There is an option to, you can add also the maps, WhatsApp, email, Instagram, Telegram, whatever. Is there a lot of option? So once you guys will complete these things, then after you can see from there you can change your profile name, URL, but you are only able to customize a one time in a free account. So when you're creating your account, you make sure to very carefully you can create your URL. Okay, after if you're wanting to change your URL or customize something, so they will ask you to upgrade your account. Okay, there is also the many themes available. So once you complete all the things, then after you can click on the save changes button and click on the share button and the plus URL. Either we already have our account URL, so you can see, if you can click on this, so you can see this is our profile. And if I can show you in incognito, so you can see this is a instant approved backlink. If I can click on this, and if I can going to show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So let me check. I guess we are not able to check our links, but the no opener, no referrer, and you can see, yeah. So you can see this is my backlink, and you can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow. So we created a do follow backlink, profile backlink, image backlink, and the social bookmarking backlink, and another backlink you are able to also create here. So definitely you can consider this site for the creating your business backlink here. Okay. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, so you can share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button. Okay, so bye bye and take care.